Hey guys, this is your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Your boy is back and I done did it again. Guys, today we have something special for you. We're doing an application review. Yeah. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video that you're about to see now. Just make sure that you subscribe and click on the little bell because that's the only way to get notifications. Okay, so one of my subscribers actually sent me this application, say, hey Joe, can you please go over it and just try it out? Tell me what you think. First of all, the website itself looks beautiful. I love the design of it. I love the animations that it has. I love the, even the little shadows that it has. Like it's nice and clean, it's very modern. Okay, so we're gonna try this. Okay, so it's type lore. So it says if you type adeptly with 10 fingers, you're typing faster than your mind is working. Cool. So I'm guessing the application itself is to test your skills as somebody who's going to be using a keyboard all the time. Okay, so it's just to improve your skills as you type. Okay, so let's try this out. So we're going to log in with Google. So it has OAuth already, which is pretty cool. So we're going to come in here, log in, and as you can see, this is how it looks as soon as you log in. It's pretty nice and pretty. I love it. I love the gradients. I love everything that I'm seeing. It's pretty legit. So it says practice test. Okay, cool. Let's try it out. Okay, here you go. Okay, competitiveness. Okay, let's try this. Wait. Oh man. Oh man, no. Oh no. No. Okay. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay. I'm bad. So I'm having, this is my score. Joe Santos Garcia. It shows my icon. My icon is my baby. As you guys might see, it says 22 words per minute. That's bad. I think people are supposed to be doing like 60 words per minute. Competitiveness is really what it costs you per man hour to get you what you want. In other words, there's an education level that plays in the mix. So this is what it is. Okay, and then we could come here and say, okay, cool, I'm gonna try this out with multiple. Let's see. It says, hey, select reputation, play, search attempt. So this is cool. So this is like searching for other users to see if we could play against them. So let's see. I suck. Somebody's out there way better than me. Oh god. Okay. I'm done. Get me out of here. I suck. Oh man. So this is cool. You could play, it's like a custom reputation. You could play against the computer, or I'm guessing this is like a ghost mode from somebody else. Okay, let's try this. Play with friends. Click here. Okay, I'm gonna open this up in a new incognito window. Let me see if I can take this here. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna log in with my other Google account. Let's see. Let's see. See if I remember it. Okay, trying this out, right? Let me see. Boom, click here. Okay, cool. So we're going head to head. Okay, so if I try this here, so as you guys can see, you can basically do this multiplayer, right? So it's real time. It's pretty cool, man. I'm like really proud of this dude for creating this application. You know, it seems pretty simple, and you might think like, oh, this is simple, but no, there's a lot of work behind the scenes. You know, he did this with Node.js. He's using React. I'm pretty sure it's React. Let me make sure. Yeah, there's definitely React in here. So connecting to React, and there you go. Like, it's pretty legit, man. This kid really went hard. Like, you guys might think, oh, this is easy, it's just a little game. Nah, man, there's a lot of stuff in here, man. Like, there's a full application that you can show somebody and say, hey, man, I really know React. I really know what the hell I'm doing. On top of that, he has it on his own domain, typelore.com. And it's like, this looks like a business. This looks like something that is legit. People can use it. You could share it. This is something that you could pass it on to your friends on Facebook and be like, hey, check this out. Now, the only thing that I would say for him is, hey, man, you need to put some advertising in here, to be honest with you, because there's a pretty cool application that you got here. But if people use it and you're paying for the hosting and you're paying for the domain, hey, man, make some money out of it. Okay, so this is pretty legit. This is one of the subscribers that actually listened to me when I told them, hey, man, go out and freaking learn React, this and that. Like, he went hard, man. You know, I was checking his email. You know, he was like, yo, hey, I'm a long-time fan of the CodingPhase channel. I've learned many things. Moreover, you're the only person that encouraged me to learn React.js. So finally, I've learned it. Created my own application. Hope you review it. Basically, here's images. And he's just like, yo, man, this is what his learning phase was. So he learned React and then Node.js in 1 to 2 months. So he did not sleep for weeks. So pretty much he really went hard, right? Then from there, he built a web application. And his stack is Node.js, React.js, Redis, MySQL, AWS. But I've learned so many things while I'm developing it. Again, thank you for the replay, bro. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. So shout out to Vinesh, man. Shout out to Vinesh. Like, this is like something that, you know, this is something that I'm proud of, right? This is something that I could say, hey, this is one of my subscribers. This is one of the people that have listened to me. This is one of the people that we could say he went hard. He did exactly what I did when I first started. I said, hey, I'm gonna just go hard for the first month. I didn't go to sleep either, man. I was doing like 16 hours a day of learning how to code. Like, I really went hard. So I want you guys to go check this out. Go to typelore.com. Go try it out. Go test his product, his application. Guys, this is super legit, man. Like, this is a very well built application. Like, if I was working at a company, I would hire him. If I had a startup that I would be, you know, building or something, like, I'll be like, yo, this is the guy that I want in my team. There's somebody who works hard. There's somebody who, you know, said, hey, I want to become a developer. Hey, I want to learn these technologies, and really went hard. Okay, guys? So go check him out, typelore.com. Man, I'm so proud of this dude. It's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Hey guys, this video is brought to you by viewers like you and people that support our website, CodingPhase.com. Go check it out. Over 20 courses in there that's going to guide you to become a developer from the beginning to becoming a pro.